In this video, I will teach you how to make any woman crave your presence, even if she has rejected you before. If you follow these steps, you'll have the ability to make any woman beg for your attention. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where a woman is cold towards you? Before we dive deeper into that, let's address a common mistake that many men make, focusing too much on the woman and forgetting their own value. Time for yourself is crucial to regain your time and energy. Imagine this scenario. You pour your heart out in messages, but she responds with silence. This is the time to hit the brakes. Why waste your precious time chasing someone who isn't interested? It's time to shift gears and prioritize yourself, becoming the high-value man who radiates confidence and self-respect, the magic of scarcity. When a woman feels that your time is limited and you have a life outside of her, she will be attracted to your scarcity and crave your attention. This is the essence of the magic of scarcity. Humans are wired to want what is hard to get, like a rare, expensive, and exotic Lamborghini. Women are drawn to a challenge. When you become the type of man who is difficult to win over and immune to manipulation, you become the walking trophy. It's all about asserting dominance and making it crystal clear who's in control. But here's what changes the game. Instead of desperately chasing her, let's flip the script and make her feel a little jealous, using jealousy as a weapon. Now, listen carefully. Try sharing a photo with another woman or dropping a hint that will make her wonder what she's missing out on. Right there, you've triggered her subconscious fear of losing you to someone else. Jealousy can be your secret weapon in emotion, so powerful it can work wonders. But keep in mind, ignoring a woman only works if she was already interested in you to begin with. Can't make someone like you if they never liked you in the first place. So, choose your battles wisely and play your cards strategically. Dealing with slow replies, you know those people who take forever to respond? Well, here's a game-changing step when it takes you longer to reply to her messages. You're showing her that you have a life outside the screen. Let her try to get your attention. This subtle move signals your value. She will be eager to capture your attention. Respect yourself and don't tolerate bad treatment. If a woman doesn't respect or treat you well, bro, relax. No one has the right to treat you poorly. Just based on your appearance, remember, physical beauty may attract attention, but a killer personality wins the game. It's all about building meaningful connections. It's not just chasing superficial traits. Fostering genuine interest. Women who have genuine interest in you naturally crave attention. It's like fuel for their confidence and self-esteem. But remember, don't fall into the trap of attention-seeking. This isn't about feeding her ego. It's about building a genuine connection. Game plan to spark irresistible attraction. Here are the steps to trigger irresistible attraction and create a deeper connection. Step 1. Set the stage by creating social comfort. Engage in conversation. Ask open-ended questions and show her that you're interested in building a relationship and getting to know her better. Let her know you're not just any ordinary guy. Step 2. To break boundaries. A little physical touch can go a long way. It's like a secret language that sparks the fire and connects your energies. Step 3. Prepare yourself for something serious. A little teasing, flirting, and playful conversation. We're not talking about light chit-chat here, these are the things that keep the attraction burning bright. Step 4. Get creative by suggesting epic activities or experiences. Paint the picture of unforgettable adventures together. That's the kind of excitement that leaves a lasting impression and strengthens your bond. Being a good listener now. Imagine this. You're at a cafe, hanging out with a woman you just met. The energy is flowing, and she feels comfortable with your presence. But here's the secret sauce. Don't make everything about you. Be a good listener, pay attention, and show appreciation for her interests, her adventurous spirit, and everything that makes her unique. Leveling up. Keep the conversation flowing and make her feel like she's found her second home in your interaction. By following these rules, you'll conquer the dating world in ways you've never experienced before. Conclusion, remember, bro, know your own value. Embrace the power of scarcity and build authentic connections. By following these steps, you'll unleash your irresistible personality and elevate your attractiveness to new heights. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.